Fairy of Light. Once upon a time, a girl lived in a small village. Her name is Alice. Alice loved to imagine her dream adventures every night, looking up at the starry sky. However, recently, strangely enough, it has become difficult to fall asleep. One night, when Alice was looking up at the stars as usual, she found a particularly bright star. The star was shining as if it was calling her. Driven by curiosity, Alice turned to the planet and said, "Please, take me to the world of dreams I wished." Then, suddenly, a small fairy of light appeared in front of me. The fairy said with a gentle smile, "Alice, I will lead you to the world of dreams." Alice was filled with surprise and excitement, and took the fairy's hand and flew into the sky. When I floated softly in the air, the surrounding scenery changed in an instant, and I arrived at the beautiful dream country where colorful flowers bloomed. There were talking animals, magical castles, and fun music. Alice laughed from the bottom of her heart and played freely. However, while playing, Alice gradually got tired. The fairy gently put her hand on her shoulder and said, "The land of dreams is fun, but you need time to calm down your heart. Let's take a little rest," he said. Alice was surprised for a moment, but decided to follow the fairy's words. When I lay down among the beautiful flowers and closed my eyes, a pleasant breeze gently stroked her cheek. I felt the anxiety and fatigue in my heart slowly melt away. Then, a gentle melody began to flow from the depths of my heart. The melody was Alice's favorite star song. She surrendered herself to the song and fell asleep quietly while feeling happy. In the dream, Alice was enveloped in a beautiful world of light and felt peace from the bottom of her heart. There, all the adventures she imagined were unfolding. When she woke up, she began to spend time in a fresh mood both in mind and body, bathed in the bright morning sun. From that day on, Alice was able to fall into a special sleep every night. And while remembering the fairy I met in the land of dreams, I didn't forget to call her from time to time. Believing in the power of dreams, every time she fell into a peaceful sleep, Alice was always able to have a happy morning with a new adventure. End.